Good evening to one and all gathered here. Most respected master, seniors here, parents, and your friends. We are going to be standing here right now in front of you to see this felicitation. I will say 1,000 thanks to Almighty God for giving me the best teacher I have ever had, Uncle Master. He is definitely the best. The development of thought process was the only thing that we did for 2 years. I'm sure I gained a lot from it. Everyone here gained a lot. I'm glad I thought of it. As Governor said, Nandakumar also knows everyone deep inside the heart. So he knows what everyone wants. Great to have a student like that. Thank you very much. My parents, I give a big thanks for everything that they have done. I must say, it is a privilege to be an only child. And most importantly, I would like to thank them for making me join at DS 2 years ago, which I know is the best thing that has happened to me. The day before GE, I was so challenged that I did not let my mother get out of the house. I kept walking behind her all the day, saying, "Amma, Bharati." So, really, I'm glad to cooperate with it.